Hello everyone, and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can fix Fallout 4 dialog bug on the PlayStation 5. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on the PlayStation 5, and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here, as you can see guys, you're gonna find your games and applications. Here on the right, you're gonna find your game library. Right here, as you can see guys, you're gonna find all of your available or all of your installed games and apps on this device. Here in the left, you're gonna find PlayStation Plus and also PlayStation Store. And right here in the top, you're gonna find all of these sections. Here you're gonna find games, media, search, settings, and here you're gonna find your profile icon. So basically guys, right now, if you want to fix Fallout 4 dialog bug on the PlayStation 5, first of all, go ahead and search for Fallout. As you can see guys, in my case, I don't have it. So for example, just go to Fallout and then click on option. Once you click on option, here you're gonna find check for update, upload and download save data, manage game content, delete, update history, information, intellectual property notices, and lastly, keep in home. So first of all, click on check for update. And then as you can see guys, if there is any available update, it will show up. And if there is any available update, you need to download it. This might fix your problem. As you can see guys, in my case, I have this message saying the game or app you have installed is in the latest version. That means there is no update available for the moment and my game is up to date. So make sure you always check for update for your games. So if there is any updates available, make sure you download it. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.